Hello, welcome to another Elrond Network tutorial. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you how to stake on Maiar App powered by Elrond Network. Maiar is a digital wallet and a global payment app that allows you to exchange and securely store money on your mobile phone. By the way, if you haven't registered, check video description for the sign-up link and get $10 in eGold on your first purchase of $200 worth of eGold. Alright, let me open the app. With Phase 3 staking upgrade, it increases the number of validators to 3,200 and opens the possibility to stake more than 2,500 eGold per validator's node. You will be able to stake on Maiar towards the curated list of staking providers and start earning rewards up to 15 to 20% APR. Alright, staking on Maiar app is simple. On your homepage, you can tap on Earn to stake or click on Elrond icon on the middle part and select Earn and press Stake. However, I don't have yet my eGold and it's still on my Elrond wallet. So I will need to deposit my eGold on Maiar app. Let me copy my deposit address. You can also use your hero tag to receive fund or share address to your contacts. Let me open my Elrond wallet. By the way, you can check video description for the full tutorial on how to withdraw on Elrond wallet. Paste your Maiar deposit address and then input the amount you want to cash out. Let me send 10 eGold. Once decided, hit on send and then confirm. Now let me go back to Maiar app and refresh it. Cool, it's very fast. Receive my deposit already. Okay, so now that I have the fund, let me show you how to find staking providers and stake your Elrond eGold. Click on Earn again, and then Stake. Here, you select validators where you want to stake your eGold. You can select all or the one that is featured. You can also filter list by highest APR, lowest fee, number of users, delegation cap fill, or name A to Z. My personal advice, you select the one with lower fees and the one that is also featured. With Elrond Network Phase 3 staking, anyone can be a staking provider, so expect more validators coming. The goal is complete decentralization. Let me pick Sika staking as they only have 13% fee compared to other providers that has 15 to 18% fee or more. Once you have picked your staking provider, hit continue. Input the amount you want to stake and press continue. Verify the amount, and once completely decided, press stake. And you're done staking. You'll have to wait for a few minutes for it to show on your transaction. I also noticed transaction fee is very cheap and only cost me 0.012 eGold.
2 seconds later.
Awesome, it's already reflecting. You can see I have a total of 10.40 eGold with 2 eGold stake under Sika staking provider. To unstake, just go to Earn and click on Unstake. Here are the following information you'll need to know in using Maiar app for staking eGold. First question, what is staking and how does it work? Staking means locking cryptocurrencies to secure the underlying blockchain network and to receive rewards for that. It is an essential part of proof of stake or POS consensus mechanism, which is much more energy efficient alternative to proof of work mining. Another question, is staking non-custodial? Yes, staking on Maiar app is non-custodial. The staking agencies do not have the direct access to your funds at any point in time. Everything is done in a fully non-custodial and secure manner through the Maiar wallet. Third question, what is the minimum eGold stake or unstake amount? The minimum amount that you can stake is 1 eGold. There is no minimum amount to unstake. However, please note that it is not possible to leave less than 1 eGold stake. Next question is, when are rewards distributed? Rewards are distributed on a daily basis at around 2:20 p.m. UTC. If you want to have the rewards available, you will need to claim them. Claiming takes only few seconds and you are charged a small transaction fee. Another question is, how can I unstake and how long does it take to unstake? To answer that, you can unstake your eGold at any time. The entire unstake process takes 10 days. You first have to initiate the unstake process through an unstake transaction, and 10 days later, you will need to finalize the withdrawal on your unstake eGold. And lastly, how much you'll earn and what do APR stand for? Each staking agency can choose its own fee, but for the most part, the reward you receive will be around 20% APR. APR means annual percentage rate, which represents how much you will earn from that investment in 1 year. If you have more questions, you can go to Maiar Help Center or chat live support for assistance. Anyways, that's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below, and please don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you on my next video.